Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually insert a video right here in this Microsoft Word document. The first thing that you want to do is to come right here and click on insert. Notice when you click on insert, you're going to come all the way right here to media. So if I click right here on the word media, I notice to bring up this look at the dialog box. I can click right here and actually stop it. But if you notice, this box can actually move exactly where you want it. You can actually shift it off a document and all of that. If you notice right here, you can take a video from embedded code right here. You can take it directly from YouTube. So I'm going to click right here. I'm going to select the video right here. Right, so I'm going to say how to create a Microsoft Word document. Just like that. I'm gonna press OK. Alright, and if you notice, all of these documents come up. I can come right here. I can actually scroll down to view the one that I actually want. You notice, you can take a time and scroll down to the selected one that you want right here. Alright, you notice, these are all the documents right here. Take a time and scroll up. So finally you scroll up, now you reach exactly the one that you want. The only thing that you have to do definitely is just to click. So when you click on it right here, notice it's a one item selected. So right here you're going to click on word insert. You notice you have cancel right here, so I click on word insert. So when I click on word insert, if you notice right here, it actually up my document. But if you come like this, you notice I can't move it. I can actually right click on it right here. I go down to wrap text. I can either put it right here in front text, behind text, tapped and all that. There's another way you can wrap text. They can come right up here. They can actually click it right here. Notice show the same thing. You click like that. And so as soon as I do that, I can move the document up and down. I can actually size it up like that. I can actually crop off this part here. I can click right here, crop, just like that. And I can come like this and crop off this side just like that. Yes. And not only that, I can come right here. Look at this go pointer. I can put it at a little frame. You notice the video, see just like that. Right, so what if you want to actually show say it really a play? You notice right here in the middle, right? You notice it's a follow the link. So right, I'm going to click it. Notice when I click it, you notice so it actually look like this. And I give this dark looking. So if you see this come up, don't worry, what it actually doing is processing to get the video in a position to really say play the video. Right, some of you might be surprised that if you notice this is set a video right here, sure that you can actually share from right here, so you can also watch later, right? But if I come like this and I click, you notice now we show that the video is loaded. Good, so this is exactly how it actually play. I can come right here, click up. When you finish, what you can do, you can press the escape key and it take you directly like this back on it. Alright, so this is how exactly you actually insert a video to a Microsoft